Hey there, Beehiiv team. I am Harshit Vadiparthi, and I am applying for the solutions engineer role at Beehiiv. And this is going to be a short video of me registering a domain on Namecheap and then connecting that domain with the newsletter. So this video will be showcasing my technical skills and my communication skills on how I can be helpful to C-suite executive clients and other enterprise-grade clients as a solutions engineer, and how I can play a vital role in the pre-sale and post-sale process. So let's dive in. So let's get started. I'm currently on the Namecheap.com dashboard, and it's very easy to register on Namecheap, and I actually find most affordable prices on Namecheap for domains, but the same process can actually be applied for other domain platforms like GoDaddy, other platforms as well. So for now, I'm just going to use Namecheap and register my domain, which is humanoid. Yeah, so this is what my domain is going to be. And I'm just going to register this. Yeah, so because this is a very unique kind of domain, and that's why it's very cheap. It's just around like $10 USD. But I think I'm going to make this a brand. I'm really confident that I'm going to make this a brand on a newsletter. So I'm okay with it. So now I'm just going to check out. That's $28. So let's go to the billing. Pay now. Just waiting for this to confirm. Yeah, I just got a message on my Gmail. So payment is confirmed. So the domain is officially ours. Yeah, now it's time to head back to the dashboard section. Once we're in the dashboard, we find the dashboard and click on the manage button. And this is basically the house for our domain. We can select our domain. And now once we already selected this, these are all the details of status, validity, and all of that. And now what's very important is we go to the DNS section. So now that we have the domain, we're going to go back to our Beehiiv dashboard, and now we select the settings, go to publications. I think we're actually here. Yes, publication, and now we click on the domain. Yes. Now, once we have here, all we have to do is just add a custom domain. As you can see, these are the details to add it. So we need www.com. So we're going to do the same www.humanoid.com. And then we just add the domain. Once we have the domain, it's already here. It's just going to take some time to verify. And after verifying, we'll have to just update our DNS records, and then we're actually good to go. But right now, I'm also going to add just humanoid.com because I want it to be directed directly to the newsletter itself instead of people wanting to type www. So most people could just type in humanoid.com. So I'm just going to add that in as well. Yeah, both of them are added. So that's been our website URL. So we're also going to change that in a bit. Yeah. Now, so to verify, how do we verify this? So now if you just click on humanoid.com, we click on the three buttons here, verify, and then we just have to update and create a DNS record on the platform, on the domain registration platform, which is of course a Namecheap. So we're just going to do the same, and this is where you're going to do this, right? So add a new record. It's going to be a TXT record. TXT record. The host is Beehiiv authentication, and then this is the value. Copy that. Is it here? Save. Yeah. So now we've saved this. Let's just go ahead and. All right. So it's actually going to take some time. And now, as you can see, if I just clicked on the verification button, it just verified. So now both of our domains are now registered. Now, as you can see, there's a new pop-up option here, select custom web domain. Right now, what we're going to do is just simply click on humanoid.com and then configure the domain. And now to configure the domain, we'll have to verify the configuration as well. So it's just type as a record, host is @ and then that's the IP value. So After that, we just click on setup. So let's dive in. Add a new record, A, and then at the rate. I'm going to just type that in directly. And now this. Save changes. All right, so the changes have been saved and we verify the setup as well. Okay, it's going to take some time for the custom domain to configure. The same thing happened previously as well. So yeah. All right, so one of the things here is, since humanoid.com is directly not the custom domain, the main root domain. So what's Beehiiv? Beehiiv is automatically, what it's going to do is it's going to reroute it to www.humanoid.com. So all right, so now as you can see, it's been verified. So it's also live. I just click on humanoid.com. It's going to redirect to my Beehiiv newsletter. So that's how you do it, guys. And so yeah, I think Beehiiv team, you guys already know how to do this. But I'm just sharing my skills on how I can do this as well, and how it can be helpful for C-suite and all other executive customers. You are a very helpful person in your organization. So yeah, so take me in, guys. Please do take me in, because I'm like super passionate about Beehiiv, and I'm trying to become a power user of Beehiiv as well, and try to solve as many customer problems as possible, and then fit seamlessly in your sales cycle. So thank you so much.